Spray foam off gases after it's been installed. Well, we've touched on that a little bit through our R-value discussion, but this is a little different. This talks about the things you can smell, the toxic agents, if you will, the things that we don't want people coming in contact with until that foam is fully cured and no longer off-gassing. So again, there's a time factor in there for the foam to cure and to become inert. There's tests that need to be conducted. VOC, you've probably heard that term, volatile organic compounds. California has different regulations. Washington has regulations. Most states have VOC regulations, which polyurethane foam exceeds. Now, we protect our workers, our installers, by putting them in a supplied air respirator, and that's great, while they're installing the product. Now, when they finish installing the product, we want to continue to ventilate that installed area where you've put the foam. We control other trades because new construction is very busy and there's a lot of people around. So we want to control access to our work area where we've applied polyurethane foam for their safety. We do that by referring to a re-entry time period. And this can be hours, depending on the rate of ventilation. Reoccupancy, which is now everything is fully cured, I can have the family come back. Re-entry, other trades, is that number is derived and based on for the protection of healthy workers. Reoccupancy, and you'll notice that the time requirement is a little bit longer. It's 24 hours for reoccupancy. And the reoccupancy is established with babies, chronically ill, the elderly in mind. So our product off gases over a period of a few short hours, and we can re-enter the work area almost immediately. Check the data sheet for the re-entry period. And after ventilation, we can reoccupy in 24 hours, sometimes less, depending on the material and the ventilation rate. But this information is provided to everyone. It's on the technical data sheet. It's probably on the drum as well. Ask for it. Understand it.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.